Welcome to my projectbuster.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product, a high efficiency non-isolated buck boost converter based on Zeta converter. Next we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. In the proposed system we can using the transformerless buck boost converter on based on Zeta converter. The Zeta converter is a previous technique for the classical Zeta converter. The classical Zeta converter some disadvantage of the process, and we can implement it for the new Zeta converter for modeling the buck boost capability and high isolation method for output current. So we can suggest the for specific applications using the photovoltaic and high power machines. So we can using the specific application using the prototype model of Zeta converter. The presenter converter is using the main one switch will act as the very high voltages, and the magnitude of on state resistance will be given. So we can reduce the line loss, and our switching losses are very low, and proposed converter again is a very simple method and a very simple architecture. So this is a continue and a very advantage of our process is continuously output current will be given. So and a very high output current, this is for one of the specific methods like photovoltaic systems and high power machines application system like turbines and dams will be applied that. So we can getting the maximum of power will be used for that model. Next we can going to discuss about the circuit diagram of your product. This is on our Zeta converter circuit diagram, and these elements. First we can see about the input. This one we can given the voltage source of the DC voltage. We can some amount of voltage will be given to applied. We can example we can getting to the 36 or 40 and 200 something will be our input will be given. So then we can one switch we can using the controllable switch we can using the MOSFET. MOSFET is very advantageous for compared to the IGBT because of again switching characteristics and very high performance compared to the IGBT, and another switches like SCR, thyristor, whatever will be given, and the deputation layer is one of the major advantage of the MOSFET. So we can reason of selected this MOSFET. Cost is high, but we can using only one switch, so we cannot consider about the cost. So then we can using for this inductors, and another we can one of the main advantage of this process like and inductors and flyback capacitors are very high gain voltage stress will be relieved. So we can you can use see inductor 1 will be applied that this high current of inductor illumination magnetizing that this specific closed loop of this current, so some this current will be grounded to the our source side. And another we can see we can fly back capacitors. The capacitor banks is automatically discharges the power because of this sign ratio is an opposite. So and the diode also like the some forward region will be applied that. So we can some breakdown region to pass down the our current. So specifically we can apply attain the breakdown region is an automatically control the reverse region of the our diode. So is an automatically tripped that diode. Then we can using the another L2 of our inductor. So this is similar to C1 capacitors. This is an flyback inductor like magnetize the current of reverse directions. So the current will be close to the specific closed loop, and we can getting that again we can current region pass to the C3 of capacitor. This capacitor like very charge close dense to the our power, and this sense node side we can pass to the another L3 of inductance. This inductor is a very magnetize the our entire current. Because of this load cell to operate this capacitance will be entirely charged. In case we can our load is our switches MOSFET is one of these off this is getting the off characteristics is a load is a continuous power will be given to the our C naught capacitor. So we can given the some load of resistance will be applied that. So we can using some amount of resistance like 110 or 100 whatever will be given to but we can generating the power of like I will given the example for 36 volt will be given to the input. This our entire system output like nearly 300 something will be very high gain output will be received side of the load. Next we can going to discuss about the running procedure of our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2018b. and the corresponding lamps are connected from the circuit diagram to the from two functions. Let we discuss for the our circuit diagram of the product. This is our zeta converter, and the corresponding scopes are connected to the from two functions. Because of this is a very congested circuit for that zeta converter, and this is our real-time prototype for the zeta converter model. So we can getting the constant DC input and DC output will be getting to past that circuit. Let's begin running process for the zeta converter. The running modulation completed. We can see the scope results. This entire green color blocks are scope blocks. So we can open the first. We can see the source voltage and the source current. This is our source voltage and source current of the zeta converter. We can getting to the input of 36 voltage will be applied the our DC source. We can completely DC power will be applied that, but current is on very magnetized like inductor we can using that. So some clippings to the our current. So we can getting the voltage and current of source. And another thing, this is our switching pulses of the our MOSFET. So because in every converters, switching pulses are very important. Because of this switching pulses and control the every circuits. So this we can given the 60% duty cycle of this converter. We can getting the randomly and on off of the MOSFET. So we can ups and downs of the these triggering pulses, like this is an applied to axis levels, and we can getting to x-axis ranges. And another thing is an inductor 1 current. We can getting the inductor 1 current is like this similar type of waves, like this also DC wave. So we can getting purely DC, but we can have this maximum first magnetizing in inductance like this and 160 nearly reaching that. But we can again we can switching as applied to this and constantly maintain like 20 something will be applied given. And this one capacitor 1 voltage similar to the flyback capacitance, like these waves. So these also we are clear cut clipping for the negative voltage side for that, because of this and fully discharging, so we can getting the maximum of discharging flyback capacitor 1. And another this is an our capacitor 1 current. So this is an capacitor 1 current. This is an our diode current, diode D1 current. For that this is an like a 0 1 for that. And this one capacitor 1 current. Similarly we can clipping the waves, but we can to convenient the buck boost converter, like we can see different clipping process of this converter for different elements, like this one capacitor 3 current. So we can just go through that our circuit, so we can getting that maximum of results to getting of our waves. And another this is an inductor to current. So this is also different wave, like C and amplitude ranges. So we can different waves, like the waves are like similar that, but not similar. This is very different because of this x-axis amplitude and range, and different corresponding denses of waves, like. And this is our inductor 3 current. And this is our load current. We can load current getting the 3 amps will be getting nearly, but our voltage is on C for nearly 300, but our input is on very low, because we are given the very 30 volt 36 something will be given, but we can getting the output voltage of power we can very high, nearly 300. Because of this zeta converter mainly for for specific applications like photovoltaic applications, and very high power machine DC machines will be using that. So the Zeta converter using for DC to DC boost converter like buck boost converter. So thanks for watching.